If this world can't be changed, then maybe it's time to take a different path, even if it's nothing like before. Just like how I chose to change myself.
Is that a promise?